Okay, so we got the DV411A hooked up. We're providing slightly more than 10 volts out of this AN3100 here. We're providing about 900 microvolts more than 10 volts. Not that that's all that significant, but it has to be more because I want to provide a 10 volt output, and there's always a little bit of loss in a divider, and I have to overcome it. But that's done, and the point here is to show you the linearity of the unit. So you'll observe in the back we've got the Hewlett-Packard 34401 hooked up. We're in the 10 gig ohm input mode, so we're not loading this thing to the extent that we can avoid loading it. And we're just going to step down. Like right now we have a reading of 10 with 4 zeros, so we're within 100 microvolts at least of being 10 volts, less than 100 microvolts. So let's step down. We go to 9. There's 9 volts, 8, 7, 6, all right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Then we go to the next decade. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next decade. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on to the last decade. This is always the trickiest point because in this case now you're down to a linear pot, so your movement has to be precise. You have to try and interpolate between the lines and make sure that for every step that you have dialed it exactly as was on here. So right now I'm viewing so that I can see the line on the pot dial line up with my my zero over here, and I'm going to dial down to where each standard division is going to hit on that same exact spot. So let's give that a try. Right now we're reading 10. All right, I'm going to take her down to 9. So I have to try and position this so that it's exactly the same as the other. There's 9. Let's go to 8. If I have a parallax error or something like that and I can't see it right, then I'm going to screw it up. So it's very concerning. But anyway, you get the point here. I can dial in this thing to within actually 4 decimal places, and although I can't repetitively do it, I could actually go to 5 if I was to step up my the Hewlett-Packard back there to 6 decimal places. I could show you that, but it's a very nice divider. It's very linear. It's working well. It would be a good calibration source. You provide a one basically 10 volt input, then you can divide it down to 4 decimal places easily and use that as a calibration voltage. Could also be buffered. You could build yourself a little analog buffer, provide this as the voltage source to the buffer. The buffer then gives you a little more current output, and then you have the foundation for a small power supply or a much stronger calibration unit. Good unit, good Decadivider. These things were extremely expensive when new, so being able to get them surplus is a real boon. All right, thanks for listening. Bye.